Welcome. Come on in. Thank you for supporting my channel and subscribing. Today, I was nudged by my spirit guides to provide a Reiki healing session for all the people who are struggling day to day. I am picking up that there are 1 or 2 people here that are working 2 to 3 jobs and are just exhausted. I am also picking up on many people who are caring for both elderly parents and young children. I feel their stress, their exhaustion, and they're wondering how they can continue on. Please know you are not alone. You are not the only person struggling. Ask Archangel Metatron for his help and his blessings. Archangel Metatron works with Akashic Records, 5D Ascension, and Metatron's Cube. Archangel Metatron is one of the most powerful angels, and he is one of 2 angels who lived on Earth. Archangel Metatron is the angel of balance and transformation. Today, I will also be using Fluorite. Fluorite is a great energy balancer, and it helps to increase mental focus. Fluorite is also a great crystal to help you increase your prosperity and find ways of increasing your money. Fluorite is a favored stone by Archangel Metatron. Chryscolla also helps in transformation, stress reduction. It balances your personal energy and enhances that energy, and is also a stone of new beginnings. Chryscolla is a wonderful crystal for when you are feeling overwhelmed. Are you struggling to balance your money? Ask Archangel Metatron to show you some money miracles. Have you lost your work and your life balance? Take a break or a mini vacation. Are you a caretaker of an elderly parent, or are you a medical worker? Pamper yourself once a week and hire help if possible. Are you a struggling and a stressed out mom or dad? Ask for help from family or friends once each week. Share a child care day. Are your relationships coming apart? Heal them with some professional counseling. Ask Archangel Metatron to find a way to make them work out. Are you coping with the stress by using excess food or alcohol? Make one change, get help if needed, and pray to Archangel Metatron. Archangel Metatron, I ask that you show me the miracle of prosperity in my life. I am tired, Archangel Metatron. I have awakened each day and given my best. However, I need your love and intervention. I ask that you bless me with prosperity so that my spirit and body will be renewed. Thank you, Archangel Metatron. Create a simple altar with purple flowers and a silver cup or a silver candle. Take one day at a time. Give yourself 15 minutes of you time each day. Try to take your lunch break outside. Write down or visualize 3 blessings that you have at the end of each day. Keep going. Don't give up. God sees you and He will bless your life. Your miracle is coming. Your blessings are coming. Keep going. Thank you for liking, and thank you for subscribing. Namaste.